Today, we will show you how water cycle evaporates. First, we need a cube ice, a big transparent bowl, small transparent bowl, aluminum foil, hot water, spoon, and the salt.
First you need to do is pour the hot water into the big bowl. Put some salt in it. And stir it. Put the small glass on the center of the big bowl. Then put the aluminum. Then put some ice cubes in the top of the aluminum. The ice cubes represent the cool atmosphere. Then, wait for 10 minutes and you'll see how water cycle evaporates. For 10 minutes, slowly remove the aluminum foil so that the water won't spill. As you can see, the small bowl has some water. It represents the land. And the big bowl represents the ocean.
You have to how solid turns into liquid. Put the butter into a small glass. And under the glass is the hot water and see how butter melts.
As you can see, the butter melts slowly and the solid turns into liquid form.
A change in phase may occur when the energy of the particles change. The temperature of a substance is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles.
States of matter: solid, liquid, gas. Properties: volume, occupy space, density, mass over volume, shape, outline specific form, ease of flow, ability of an object to flow easily.
Their phase changes requires energy, the melting, evaporation, and sublimation. These changes of a substance are referred to as phases when they coexist as physically distinct parts of a mixture.
States of matter: solid, liquid, gas.
Wait lang, ano ba?
Outline of specific forms, ease of shape, outline of specific form.
Butter and see how butter melts.
Mali! And see how water melts and see how butter